Hey guys, Jim at Rainwater Equipment and Rain Harvesting Supplies here today. The purpose of today's video is to talk to you about how to connect your ESYBOX Diver pump with the DConnect Box 2 that it comes with when you make your purchase. This pump is essentially the submersible version of the above ground ESYBOX VFD pump. But because it's submersible, you can't have controls on it like you do with the above ground ESYBOX, where you make changes to the screen using different settings and different buttons to set the pressure, things of that nature. Instead, you have to use the box and the DConnect app that you can download for free on your smartphone off of the App Store, and then you must have a Wi-Fi connection to begin the setup. You also have to have a 230 volt connection set up to where the pump and the box are on the same circuit. When you start the setup process, you'll actually put power to the box first, begin following the prompts on the DConnect to make the pairing and the setup, and then at some point you'll be required to plug the power in and send power to the pump. But you don't do that initially. So a great way to accomplish that is by getting yourself something like this, which I found on Amazon, a great product that allows you to split 230 volt power into two female receptacles. You see, I've already got the box plugged in to the one plug, and the second one is not plugged in yet because I'm waiting until I get to the point during the setup process whenever the prompt tells me, okay, now it's time for you to put power to the pump. Once that happens and you follow the prompts, then you'll be able to link your pump, ESYBOX Diver, on the app to the DConnect2 box, and you'll see them on your screen on the app. And at that point, you'll select the pump, you go into the settings there, and you'll be able to find PSI listed as the pressure. These come factory preset at 40 PSI, and most people prefer to be a little higher pressure than 40. So with a few clicks of a button, you hit the save on your settings, and then the pump's ready to go. Now note that this pump does not have to be inside the tank when you do this. The pump has built-in dry run protection, so you can essentially just have it on your workbench like I have here, and when you go through the setup process, you'll hear the pump turn on and off. It's kind of a low noise, but it's not hurting the pump. You will notice once you get into your app and you check the settings that you'll see that it has dry run. Nothing to worry about. You can clear the errors. Again, it doesn't hurt it, but that's a lot easier than trying to put this pump in the tank and then go through this process. Get yourself a nice, easy, clean workstation like we have here and your power supply, and you can make this a much easier process than it would be otherwise. So if you need more information about this, you can notice on our product page for the ESYBOX Diver that there are links to show you what you'll actually see on the DConnect app screens as you work your way through the process. So be sure to follow those steps, and if you follow them the way that we discussed here as well, you shouldn't have any problems. Again, be sure to send power to the box before you send to the pump, following the prompts, and use the DConnect app, and you should have it set up in no time. The initial startup process probably takes about 30 minutes. Again, you need Wi-Fi and the different components that we have here. If you need more information, check us out online at rainwaterequipment.com. You can also give us a call at 877-331-7008.